So we start off today's video with this pixie haircut transformation. Now it looks like she does start off with shoulder length hair. Ooh, it looks like the stylist did a mixie style haircut. Wow, this is gorgeous. And the mixie haircut is a great in-between option if you want a longer pixie style. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have a beautiful pixie style with some bangs going there in the front. Very nice. I love the shape and texture of this. Gorgeous. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have someone with curly hair. Texture is gorgeous. Let's see what she ends up doing. Ooh, beautiful curly pixie style. And I'm very happy that she kept her natural curls with this one. This is very chic and modern. She looks amazing. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. Looks like she wants a bit of a bob. Oh, going even shorter. Wow, beautiful asymmetrical pixie. I love the way that her color looks within this cut. This is such a chic style. Very nice. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we once again see someone with curly hair. Oh, wow. So she completely shaved her hair off with this buzz cut style. That was very unexpected. And here we have a beautiful asymmetrical pixie cut. Longer bangs going there in the front. followed by this bob haircut. Beautiful classic bob style. I like the face framing bangs going there with the style as well. And then we have another asymmetrical pixie. This one does feature an undercut. I love the edgy vibe of this look. Very nice. I think flipped over to this side is my favorite way that this look has been worn. It's like cool girl hair. And then we move into another haircut transformation. It looks like a beautiful bob. Gorgeous. I love the shape and texture of this style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.